Hey, what's up? I'm going to be taking apart a PSP. I think it's 1000. It's the black one, the old style one. Now there's like 2000 out, which is a silver one. But I'm going to be taking apart the 1000 and taking the screen off because the PSP was dropped, so the screen got messed up. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I ordered a kit off of eBay, and I went ahead and took the front plate off. All there is to doing that is, you take the battery part out, you take this battery out right here, and then after you take the cover off first, obviously, then there's two screws. There's one right here, and there's one right there. And then there's another one right here and another one right there. So there's 4 screws, and they're really small. So you gotta make sure not to lose them because you're gonna need them to put it back on. So I just turn it over, and it kind of snaps in there. And when you pull it off, you want to make sure not to lose any of these buttons because they're not attached inside of here. So they'll just come right out. And these these clear buttons right here, the L and the R, they'll come out also. So I want to make sure just to keep them latched in there. If they come out, you can put them back in. I ordered a kit off eBay that has this screwdriver, and it also has tweezers to help you with the process, and this thing to pop the screen off. Alright. So what you're going to do first is you're just going to make sure there's nothing else in the package. There should be, because there should be a screen. So when this package comes, might look like this. Depends on who you get it from. But it's just going to be this screen with the protective covering over it. It's got like a blue film across it. I'm going to have to take the back part off. So I'll just take this off of there. Yes, that bracket comes off. This bracket right here comes off of the front of it, so you need to save that part obviously, because you're gonna have to put it back over the front of the face. Just leave it on there. Okay, there are 4 tabs. Well, let's see, 10 tabs in all. There's 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 10 tabs in all, and you have to get them all separated. And it should slide right out just like that. Okay, now if you tilt it forward, zoom in there. If you tilt it forward, you'll see how this hooks in here and this hooks in here, and that's all you're gonna need for replacing the screen, is just those 2 cords. Pretty simple. But you're gonna want to take them out without damaging this part here or this part here, and all you do to do that is just okay. I just took these and slid it out, and now I have this screen separated from it. I'm just going to set that to the side here, and I've got the new screen right here. Just so it doesn't get scratched or anything, I'm going to take the edges off of it, that way I can put it down in there and secure it when I get ready to, but I'm not going to take it off the face. I do need to take it off the back. Another cool thing about this is I got this piece for $25 and I got the PSP for free because someone dropped it. And I'm gonna fix it. Okay, you make sure that the wires didn't come wrapped, because sometimes they do. Well, I'm assuming they might sometimes, but they don't need to be if they are. Ha. Okay, before I put everything back together, I'm just going to go ahead and slide the battery in it. Well, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and make sure it works without touching anything but the power thing. You don't want to touch any of these metal things because it'll arc and it could damage you or the actual piece of machinery that you're working on. If I can find the power cord. Alright, I've got the power cord, and I'm going to just plug it into this wall outlet. I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. I'm not going to pretend. I am very surprised that it actually works. And it works. And the other one I should have showed you, all you could see was 3 lines on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. It has a line across the middle because I haven't taken the plastic off yet. I'm gonna turn it off and then unplug it without touching any of the metal pieces, if you can help it.